Hey guys, my room is a disaster, but I'm gonna show you how we're gonna take it from this to this. Back in 2020, we moved into this place. Pretty soon, things in here were just completely out of control. Over the past 2 years, I've tried to declutter, I've tried to organize, and it just doesn't work. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to empty out this room completely. Alright guys, we got this massive table cleared. I just wanted to show you guys before we move on why this table is such a big issue. The main one, the biggest one, it's just way too big for this space. It's 7 feet by 4 feet. It literally takes up a fourth of the room, and most of it isn't used because it's too wide. So we're gonna get rid of this and we're gonna replace it with something that works much better in the space. Originally, I kind of wanted to put my table like this way instead of this way. I'm really excited. I think this is gonna work really good. Guys, it's finally ready. It took a little bit of time to get here, but we did it. We finally did it. Are you guys ready to see it? I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Here we are, guys. Oh, feels good. It feels good to be in a space that actually has space. It took a lot longer than I thought it would take. I mean, it's only been like 3 minutes in YouTube time, but this actually took me like 2 weeks. It was really, really hard. If you can't tell from my eye bags, it was really stressful, but completely worth it. There were a bunch of reasons why I wanted to do this room makeover. The biggest of which, obviously, was that I really needed to deal with that clutter. It's 2 years of this mess from the pandemic. We moved in the middle of the pandemic, really rushed, and it was time to deal with my office and just get that like mental reset. This is a fresh start, because this is a fresh start. The other massive reason was I really wanted to give myself space to work on this YouTube channel. Before doing any of this, there literally wasn't any space to do anything in this room. That table, it just took up way too much of the room. There was no space for anything. I couldn't set up lights. I couldn't do anything. And that paired with like the clutter, yeah, I just really needed that fresh start. And the best part is now I can step into this room and not feel the burden of the past 2 years. I can step in here and it just all feels creative. Like it's a space to be creative now. And that's awesome. Here we are at the desk. I'm not going to be doing a desk tour though in this video. I was going to do it, but it would have made this video like way too long. So that video is going to come out in a couple of days. Yeah, stay tuned. But this room, you know, as great as it is, it's very much a work in progress. There's still a lot of things that I want to fix, a lot of things that I wanted to do, but couldn't really include it in this update. I have a lot of cool ideas that I'm really excited for. So yeah, I think we're going to be doing like an update video about every month or so. But yeah, if you're interested in that type of thing, get subscribed. We'll be doing these type of things fairly often. Ooh. It's crazy to think about how like this thing has consumed my life for like a good 2 weeks. I'm so tired. But now that we're finally done, we can start moving on to the next thing. And the point of it all was the next thing. But before the next thing, I need to shoot a desk tour. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna get some rest for now. Yeah, I'm beat. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. You guys have a good one. Later.